Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Semrush projects and billing, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Semrush projects, first, access the Semrush website. Log into your Semrush account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the projects section from the dashboard. Click on the Create Project button to initiate a new project. Enter the project name and the domain you wish to analyze. Next, connect the project to your Google Analytics account by clicking on the Connect button. Follow the prompts to authenticate your Google account and grant necessary permissions. After connecting, return to the project dashboard to access various tools available for analysis. Now, to set up billing, go to the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Billing from the drop-down menu. You will see an overview of your current plan and usage. To update your billing information, click on the Manage Payment Methods link. Here, you can add a new payment method or update existing details. Input your payment information in the required fields and ensure everything is accurate. Once completed, click the Save button to confirm changes. For subscription upgrades, return to the billing section to explore different plan options. Select the desired plan and follow the screen prompts to confirm your selection. Lastly, review your project settings and billing details to ensure everything is properly configured. You are now ready to use Semrush projects and billing features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.